Hey, what's up, Irma? My name is Devin, and you spoke with Mary a little bit earlier, so I just want to say thank you for taking the time for speaking with her, and then as well as checking out this screencast right here. So I know she was saying you guys don't have a website up, which is fine, but so I'm gonna use Tree Services Sacramento as an example. As you see, they're ranked right here on the first page of Google when you type in Sacramento Tree Service, as well as down here in this organic listing section right here. So definitely somewhere you guys want to be, and definitely somewhere that we can show you how to get there. So really quickly, I want to go over three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So first thing I'm going to talk about here is content. So Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages right here, because and this is all content right here. In Google's eyes, not only is it going to keep customers on these guys' page longer, it's going to keep them on Google longer, which ultimately allows Google to sell these ads right here, as well as they have ads at the bottom of these pages right here. So not only is it going to allow them to sell these ads right here, which Google's all about making money. We all know that. So Google basically is crawling all of these websites, trying to find out who has the most content, so they can put them front and center here on prime time, and really just allow customers to be on these pages longer. So it's very important to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, because Google's searching for this right here. And then equally important to content is keywords. So keywords is what people are going to be typing into Google when they're looking for stuff. So for example, Sacramento tree service. As we see, this gets 720 searches a month. So just having this on your front page, there's a bunch of keywords out there, but just having this keyword right here on your front page is going to send about 720 searches a month on your website. So this is very important when you have these keywords on here, because Google is going to send these keywords to your website, because Google is going to understand that you guys do provide whatever service that they're searching for. So the next thing I want to talk about, for another tip for you guys' website, whenever you do get one up, is called backlinks. So a backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. But they want to see relevant companies, so they'll give you a lot more power for using other tree companies or other contractors, rather than using, let's say, like a Pizza Hut sending links back to your website, because Google knows you don't make pizzas for a living. So I like to use a website called Ahrefs to check this. As we see here, these guys, uh, Tree Services Sacramento, they have 79 different websites. That's giving them a total of 94 backlinks. So that's 94 times treeservicessacramento.org is listed in 79 different sites. So backlinks are very easy. We can come in here and we can see exactly what websites they have their business listed in. And whenever you guys get a website up, you guys should go after these same links they have right here. So a lot of these are directories, which are free, where you just create an account and basically just put a link back to your website on here. Some of these are blog posts right here, so you might just got to create an account, leave a little comment. You see these blogs right here. Leave a little comment and then drop a link back to your website. So if all these were good enough to get them ranked, they'll definitely be good enough to get you ranked. So with those two tips, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listing section, which is very important because we know 70% of people are doing their shopping on this front page right here. Not a lot of times people are going to the second, third, let alone fourth page when they're coming to try to find something. So it's very important to get these high volume keywords and to be ranked on this front page of Google, because it'll send your business through the roof, honestly. So if you want to be ranked right here, number one in this map pack section, this Google My Business section, this has everything to do with citations. Citations are completely free, and you actually don't need a website to be ranked number one right here at all. So a citation is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is anywhere you can just list your business, such as Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages. So I like to use this whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, you guys here have 30 citations. Tree Services Sacramento has 35 right here. So if you want to beat these guys, you want to just come in here, find out exactly what citations, what directories these guys have their business listed in, and you want to go grab them for yourself right here. So you want to copy all these different directories they have and go out and get them for yourself, and then you want to go out and get more because you don't want to just tie with the competition. You want to beat them. So that's basically all it comes down to right here. So thank you for your time. I tried to keep this quick and fast as possible with being real informative. So I hope it was some good information. So quick recap: we went over just getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage whenever you guys get a website built up, and then as well as adding those high volume keywords that you guys want to be ranking for because it's going to give you a lot of searches per month. So and then as well as those backlinks, coming out and grabbing these backlinks from these guys, and then same thing with the citations. So again, my name is Devin. I thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or Mary. Our cell phone number is 775-402-2885. Thank you for your time.